Hello everyone and welcome back to Rise and Spray booth. So guys, in my last video I had leveled the body filler and I had applied the primer on top of it and I have given it 1 day to dry. Now this primer has become totally dry, so I will start with the sanding process. So take a sandpaper and sand the primer. Now you should not be sanding too much also here, and take out all the primer and expose the body filler. You will have to lightly sand and create those tooth for the paint to hold on to. Now if you have used the second quality or the first quality primer here, then you will get a lots of room to do the sanding. But if you have used a very cheap primer, then even if you sand it lightly, that primer will come out easily and your body filler will get exposed. That is the reason why you should apply a good quality primer. Now that you have masked the area and you have applied the primer, wherever you have applied the masking on that, some of the overspray must have settled. So some of the masking you will have to take out now like this, and once you take it out you will notice that lines are formed like this on the edges. It's not your fault guys, they do come, but before applying the paint we don't want them. So take out some of the masking and sand those edges out and blend them with the surrounding panel. Now these edges will blend with the surroundings very easily, so don't worry about it. That is the reason why while sanding you must sand little bit on the surroundings as well, because your overspray is going to settle in those spots guys. So move the masking aside and wherever you have applied the primer, do sanding there. Now here I am sanding the bumper. Now wherever I am sanding there is a sensor there. On that sensor I have applied masking tape and I have covered it properly so that no overspray should settle on that sensor. So like this you should protect your surrounding things. Once you level everything, now it's time to take a wax and grease remover, and wherever you have done the sanding, in all those spots see that you wipe thoroughly now. No dirt, dust, grease and grime should be there on the surface, because we need absolutely clean surface before applying the paint guys. So clean the surface properly, and when you are done cleaning the surface, now you can start mixing the paint. Now this is my paint, and this paint I have bought from automotive paint shop. The paint shop guy have matched the paint according to my car paint and he has given me. This is the exact same shade. Whenever we go to buy paint, there is always a doubt in our mind that whatever paint I will get, will that match with the paint which is there on my car? But guys, you don't have to worry at all about it. When you go to a paint shop, that guy will mix the paint in such a way that that paint will match your car paint spot on. Now some paint shop guys are very good guys, especially to do the paint matching. From wherever I have bought this paint, that guy has really matched the paint well. I will show that to you further in this video, so don't worry about it. Now to do the paint matching, it is not a job of a painter guys. That the paint shop guy will do and give it to you. Once you mix the paint thoroughly, now you will have to pour the mixture inside of your spray gun cup, and now my spray gun is ready to spray the paint. Now when I am applying the first coat, I will apply a very light coat because I also want to blend the paint with the surrounding panel guys. Now how to do paint blending, I have already made a detailed series of that inside of my course, which is my advanced autobody and painting course, where I show exactly how to paint an entire car, and that too at home in your home garage. I have just launched the course and there is a early bird offer going on at the moment. If you guys are really serious about learning autobody and painting, then don't waste time guys. Get yourself enrolled right now. But guys, in the advanced course I teach advanced techniques. You will not get the basics there. If you don't know the basics, then you will have to first get yourself enrolled in the basic home study course, because in that course I teach the basics step by step. That is like your foundation guys. When your foundation is strong, then the rest of the things you can do very easily. Now when I am spraying the paint here, just watch how I am spraying. See how my paint is getting blended with the surrounding panel. All these things you should be noticing guys, especially when you are watching my videos. Now some people ask me why you don't teach for free. Now all these videos that I am putting on the YouTube channel are free guys. But there are few things that I cannot tell you on YouTube, because I have many students who have paid for the course and have enrolled in my course. So I can't betray them guys. And I also have to survive guys. You guys already know that the money which comes from the YouTube ad revenue is almost next to nothing. And especially on this channel guys, the money that I receive, you cannot even buy peanuts with that. So how will I survive? That also you should be thinking. Before I started autobody and painting, I had a very good job which I left specially to teach you guys this autobody and painting. I sacrificed a lot guys, so that I can teach you guys this skill properly. When I started learning autobody and painting, there was absolutely no information on the internet about it. Very few guys were teaching. But nowadays you get lots of videos about autobody and painting on YouTube. but when I started, nobody was talking much about this skill on the internet. So 2 coats I will be applying here. So now I will see you guys once I'm done applying this first coat. Okay guys, so here I'm done applying my first coat. Now I will allow this to dry for some time, and after a while I will apply the second and last coat. So here I have already started to apply my second coat. Now when I am applying this coat, this time I will blend the paint properly with the surrounding panel, and I really have to appreciate the paint shop guy on how nicely he has matched the paint. He has come up with the exact shade. You cannot make out any difference between the paint shade guys. I absolutely cannot see any difference. What you guys think about it, do let me know in the comment section below. So the paint shop guy has really matched the paint well and given me. So now my job is to just apply the paint properly and blend it with the surrounding panel so that you cannot make out anything. In the end I will show you guys the before and after as well. I will show you guys after I'm done with the paint job how it is looking. So keep watching the video. If you have any questions about it, then do let us know in the comment section below. Now many people will have this question: how much it cost me to do this paint job? I have done this paint job at home only in my home garage. I already had the paint with me. I have bought the thinner, hardener. Most of the time the paint is the most expensive thing guys. The rest of the things are not that expensive. But guys, automotive products doesn't come that cheap as well. They are always on the expensive side. So if I talk about the primer, hardener, reducer, I have also used sandpapers, body filler. So many things I have used in this. You guys know that already. So I will say my job is done within 1000 rupees. But guys, initially you will have to put lots of efforts. Sometimes it takes lots of time to do the corrections. That also you should be counting. Now guys, you should not be telling anybody that it cost you 1000 rupees. That only you should know how much it has cost you, because these things are skill based things. Somebody who is not specialized in this cannot do this job. You have spent a lot of time to learn this skill and to acquire a finish like this. So you should be charging according to that. How much you would charge to do all these things, do let me know in the comment section below. So guys, here after applying the paint on the back side of the door and underneath the door, I am done doing my paint job. So now I will have to allow this paint to dry for some time before I deliver the car. Otherwise some customers, what they do is they come near the car and they directly touch the paint job when the paint is still wet, and they ruin the entire paint job. So like this you should not do. You should wait till the paint is completely dry. Now all the masking that I have put here, I will take that out. When you are taking out the masking after the paint job, you get a very good feeling. Especially when you have got a very nice finish. It's like you are unboxing a new car guys. So like this, if you want to learn autobody and painting, and if you want to acquire an amazing finish, then in the description below I have put a link of my course. Go there, get yourself enrolled, learn properly everything, and then invest in the tools, because then you will get a proper idea what exactly you should be buying. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you, and I'm hoping that you have learnt a lot in this video. If you found this video useful, then see that you like the video, and if you have come on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. And remember to press that hype button. So come on, let's see the before and after shots of this paint job.